How to add money to Chime Credit Builder Card. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can add money to Chime Credit Builder Card. So without any further ado and delay, let us get started with today's video. If you want to add money to your Chime Credit Builder Card, it is very simple for us to do so. So what we have to do is we simply have to go ahead and then open up our browser. Then once we open the browser, this is the interface that you'll be able to see. Then over here, what you actually have to do is you can see on Chime's website as to how do you add your money to your credit builder card or account. There are multiple ways to transfer money into your credit builder secure deposit account. The first is to basically deposit cash, or you can transfer funds from your other Chime accounts or split a portion of your direct deposit. Now, the individual instructions will also be there under each of these options. Now, your available to spend amount is displayed on your app's home screen under Credit Builder section. And if you're still having trouble transferring money, you can close the app and try again a few minutes later. And if you need help, then you can simply contact the Chime customer support. So I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in our next video.